Welcome back to part 4 of our adventure bike trip through Scandinavia. In the last episode we crossed the border from Sweden to Norway, spent 2 days on TET Norway, and this time we will head further to the coast. Good morning. So we are leaving now Geltenbro camping, where we rented this nice little hut over there, and we met a few other TET riders around, like this one here, or these two. Beautiful weather today, looking at the blue sky. We started off riding and decided to head towards the coast to Ålesund, but we knew we will probably have to find a campsite somewhere in between. As we were heading towards the coast, we knew we would have to leave the gravel roads at some point. But we didn't know that we would encounter more of the beautiful landscapes of Norway, like this one. I enjoyed flying the drone and got more confident using it. While we saw a lot of cows in Sweden, the predominant species in Norway were sheep. Our first gravel section today started in Alfdal, and now we're descending down to the next valley to the village of Grimsbo. We followed the TET, and after a short tarmac section we entered the next gravel along the river of Kloftesbecken. Now it looks like we are driving from the sun into the rain. Not sure if you can see the dark clouds on the sky. I hope we won't get into the rain. Let's see. Sheep's walking along the TET. Where are you going? As we were following the river of Kloftesbecken, we had to cross several wooden bridges, which were all in good condition. Now look at this landscape. This place is one of the reasons we want to come back to Norway again. The cloudy weather led to cooler temperatures, but also made a special scenery. As you can see here, Franzi was wearing her rain suit again, which was not only good for rain but also to keep her warm. Einfach nur schön hier, aber kalt. Wow, und der Berg da hinten. Chiller Pro Modus, würde ich sagen. When we saw sheep on the street, we always made sure to slow down and keep distance, but we were still surprised that some of them would just stay on the road. Now we were riding in the next valley between Dalholen and Folldal, and there you also have the option to go on a detour. Of the TET you don't have to do it, and we just turned around because it gets really rocky behind us. But shortly after the detour we came to the next beautiful gravel section and saw this. So we got our first defect on the trip. It looks like we lost one screw. Maybe we also overloaded this bag, I don't know. Because we had a lot of water in there. Now we're trying to fix it. Okay, so now that we lost this screw, we will tighten all of them with extra Loctite again, because they seem to be loose. Okay, sorry for the drama, we fixed everything and moved on. After this mountain pass we approached the next village of Dovre, which is in the valley containing also the E6 road, which leads to Alesund and the west coast. This spike on the mountain, I think this is Blahö. It's part of the TET. But we stayed on the TET track as long as possible, and this goes next to the main road. At some point we had to leave the TET track and follow the main road to Lesjas Kokvatnet camping. It was a good location for our travel plans, but to be honest, there are better camping sites. The next day I woke up early in the morning before sunrise because I couldn't sleep any longer, and I decided to head out and do some time-lapse videos of the sunrise. We just left TET yesterday and we're heading to the coast. And our first goal is the Atlantic Road with these nice bridges across those small islands. And afterwards we want to stay for 2 nights in Ålesund. We didn't make it very far until we stopped for the first time because we were just amazed by the blue color of the river. We were also mesmerized by the clouds between the mountains before we came to the coast. Okay, so we just took several hours detour to get to the Atlantic Road, and we are almost there, but it looks like it will be only rain and fog, but let's see. Atlantic Ocean Road. You can't see anything because it's raining and foggy. But things look differently from the perspective of a drone. From the Atlantic Ocean Road we headed south to Ålesund, where we had booked an Airbnb, and the weather got better. That's it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If yes, please like it and subscribe to the channel.